Hello everyone, we are on our Lancome shopping trip. Follow me, we are at our local Lancome counter and I'm going to share some goodies with you today. This is what I wanted to share with you. This is the Absolute Rose 80 Emulsion. And what emulsion is, it goes in a series of toners. It goes serum, emulsion, essence, and toner. So this is the strongest concentration of serum that you can get after the serum. And this is the Absolute Emulsion. Of course, it smells just like the Grand Rose extracts that are part of this. And let's just try this here. Look at how concentrated. The texture is silky, smooth. It goes on and glides on so perfectly. Actually making my hands feel wonderful. But this is one of the newest Lancome products. We will talk more about that later on in this video. But as I was telling you last week, you can get the gift sets at your Lancome counter for $110, and it does have the Absolute, the serum, the soft cream, the eye cream, and the body balm in it as well. So the last two videos that I have made, you can try all of the products. Now these are travel sizes for the $110 price. Also at the Absolute counter, here's the Absolute, the serum, and this is the video that I had made just last week. This is available in the summer 2024 gift with purchase. So if you guys have not watched the gift with purchase video, go a few videos back and it walks you through everything that Lancome offers with the summer 2024 gift with purchase. But this is luscious as well. You guys, the Absolute. This is the serum, and I'm going to put this on this hand. Now see, the texture is slightly different from the emulsion. And this is a serum. When you apply it, it starts out with a milky texture, but when it absorbs, it ends up being totally like a serum texture. So that is the difference between the serum and the emulsion. And by 2025, Lancome is supposed to be going totally refillable on all their products. The line of Absolute products, we have the soft cream here that is totally refillable. And this is the eye serum. And this also has a milky texture that ends up, when it absorbs, it has this serum texture, very silky and texture-like. Now, all of these are made with the Grand Rose extracts, and skin is revitalized with millions of new surface cells. Ladies, you cannot get a better quality of skincare than the Lancome Absolute. And here we have the eye cream. This is the Rose 80 toner, and that also is an exfoliating toner. The Absolute Rose 80, the emulsion, and here is the serum. So you guys, come to your local Lancome counter and check out the completely new line of Absolute products. They are amazing. You can get free samples of any of the products that you wish. Till next time, much love.